What up, you guys? Back with another car show today. We're going back to MNILLEST. MNILLEST is hosting another meet, revival meet. Trying to bring something back. What they did last year. Unfortunately, the spot was ruined last year, or maybe was it this year or last year? I forget. It's been so long. We are here at MNILLEST. It looks alright. I mean, I am a little early, but it is a Mika event, so people are already here wiping down the cars. People are just rolling in right now, flocking in. If this was a Hmong event, it'd be empty, completely empty. But it is a Mika event, so it is pretty stacked already. It's pretty crowded. So we're just gonna finish eating the food, and then we're just gonna hop out and see what's good. So we got some noisemakers coming in here. Yeah. Dude, they stacked in there. Oh, we got some S2000s pulling up here. They taking this spot. They're gonna take this whole row. Ooh, this guy's coming hot. Oh, we got the Turbo RSX again, like always. We beat them every time. Oh, we got some nice cars coming here. Nice green color. Oh yeah, I know that guy. We have another Stage 2 Subaru coming up. Oh yeah, here another Subaru. Today is MN Subaru Day. All right, we got the fastest stock Mustang right here. He dynoed 402 horsepower. We got 10,000 on the line. We ready today. All them call outs. Let's go. Oh, we definitely got to cover the Mustangs. Hell yeah, it's a 5.0. Y'all, when have you ever seen a clean TC? Come on now. Woo. Oh, is that a Supra? Oh my gosh, it's a Supra. Hey. Oh, another Supra. We got our first Evo pulling up here. Oh yeah, oh damn, he's coming hot. Yo, just listen to that thing, it's nasty. About 750 horsepower, fully built. Oh, they know how to park. Look how in line they are. That's money, dude. Guys, gorgeous. Yo, what is this? An Evo. Whoa. What's a Mazda Speed? Whoops, my bad. All right, we got a Genesis pulling up here. All right, that's pretty dope. We got SI finally. Oh hell yeah, beat tech. Yo, let's go, boy. Let's go, boy.
Want to run it?
Let's go.
Look at that. Let's run it.
Look. Oh yeah, my twin. The faster twin is here. I like it. If I lose, he's next. Oh, we gotta cover my other Mustang friend over here. Final boss. Alrighty, you guys. We're only 20 minutes into it, and we're pretty much fully stacked. It is packed. What you think?
Oh, shit, boy. We really out here tonight.
Right, we got Mustang friend number 2 over here. I'm hurt. I see how it is. You don't want to park next to the cool Mustangs over here. All right. We got the superstars of the event here. We got the RCF, and then we got the Porsche. Oh yeah, I like how that looks. Sweet. Nice. Over here we got the S2 slow lineup. Hell yeah. Whoa, stage 2 fast right here. Stage 2. All right, full bolt on. What else is that guy? All right, we got another Corvette pulling up here. Look at that. C6. Woo. All right, let's see what's on this side. We got a Miata. Whoa, we got a Pontiac Solstice. What is that? Jeez. We got the Subaru. We got the hatch. We got this Camaro again. Yeah. What else is here? Let's walk down the line. Another Camaro. 3, 2, 1. All right. Got a Civic. Oh yeah. Wow, this guy would come over here. He was parked next to me. What's up? You just came to say hi?
I came to say hi.
Wow. Dude, this open downpipe is hot. All right, let's work our way down the line here. I see a LS swap FRS. Or no, it's an 86. Same deal. It works. It's nice. I really want one day. Really want one. Nothing down that line. Let's walk back down this line. Yo, I see a turbo CRV. All right, so let's take a look at this. It's oh, that's pretty sweet. That looks fun. Boom! Hell yeah! All-wheel drive, baby. Jeez. We got another Evo pulling up here. We got 6466 with the ETS front mount. Oh, jeez. All right, let's walk back down this line over here. We already saw the RCF walking in here. Horse is pretty sweet. Hell yeah. All right, what's over here? Whoa.
I get it.
It's pretty sweet. Whoa. We have more GTIs over here. Ooh, stage 2 stuff over here. All right, all right. So round through 92 over there. It's alright. Look at this Forester. Look at that. Stage 2 special. Damn. Z01 blower. Basically the same thing as my CTSV. That's cool. Oh, the Supras. Ugh. I gotta skip this. It's just the Supras. Look at the Civic. Whoa. It's pretty sweet. Look at the RSX. I haven't seen this guy too many times. Getting all them L's. Interesting. Sweet. We got the Type R gang over here. Shoot. That's pretty sweet. Oh. Please come down here. Yes, he's coming down. Look at this RX-7. Alright, we got some bag Mustangs over here. Just want to see how high this goes. So this is lower. Oh wow. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, show car low. That's sweet. I got these two Mustangs over here, both bagged. Oh man, maybe we should just get bags. That looks sweet. Hell yeah. Yo, you know he's fast when you don't have a rear bumper. Jeez. We got a GTR. Oh my. It's pretty sweet. Random GTI over here. Oh, we got the Del Fast over here. Jeez. Oh my goodness. What are you guys doing? Watch out for this guy. He's pretty bad at driving. He let you drive that? Careful. Jeez. 3 amigos. Not bad.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Sick GTI, dude.
Thanks, man.
What happened to the splitter? Fuck, this thing's messed up too? Sheesh. Oh, stop Asian hate, support male models.
Where's the turbo?
Yay. Yeah, they about to go for a test hit. Gotta make sure the Civic works for tonight. We got the man himself. Wait, it's not Kevin.
What the hell?
I said the man himself, and it's not Kevin. Who's in there? I'm tailing Kevin. Kevin's in the back.
I'll try.
No.
Oh, there's no back seats.
Kevin's at work.
Oh, damn. He getting all kinds of rides. Look at him. Look at him. What do you think? What do you think? We're going to give them all the sauce today. All of them. When you've made it in life and you're Hmong, you get a Corvette or you get a GTR. Whoa, I missed it. Stage 2 GTR over here. This guy didn't park good. That's about it. Yeah, he's duty at parking, so if you... when the person next to you sucks at parking, you gonna suck too. Yeah. I need a C8 next. I don't know. guess.
Female cops at your race, my brother.
Hold on. Yo, they got the helicopters on us. Yo, they're here. Boy, the cops have came. Oh. Sneaky, they're playing on it. They're sneaky. They're sneaky. Super sneaky. Go, stage 2. Oh, the Mustangs are leaving.
Oh, yeah. See, maybe I just need a turbo.
Yo, sick Hellcat. All the horsepower, the 2JZ. Nice. God damn! Those are people. Those are your people. Go get them. Yeah. Whoa, sick LS, bro. It's got a big cam. Yeah. It sounds cool. It's like a bullet hole right there. GTR going bye-bye. Sick Mustang, bro. Dude, this guy is just whipping up and down the road. Shut up. Jeez. You want your 10,000 back or what? Damn, look how shredded. My man shredded. Dude, this is straight up McDonald's right here. What's up, boy? God damn!
He's looking at that purposely, man.
God damn! This is a struggle. It's hard to find races. Dude, we can't find no races. You guys want to go do some runs?
I gotta say yes, don't I?
Who's this?
Yeah, I'm down.
Yo, this guy do fast race.
Okay, Aaron.
Is that Aaron?
Yeah, that's Aaron.
Oh my god. Oh. Well, I'm disappointed no one wanted to do runs today. This shit wig. What's going on here? There's no burnout. Well, that's gonna do it for MNILLEST, you guys. It was pretty rowdy, not gonna lie. A lot of people did pull-outs, burnouts, whatever you want to call it. A lot of people were revving towards the end, like unnecessary type stuff, but nonetheless, we left quietly like a typical Mustang. We didn't do nothing crazy. We rolled out really quiet. Gotta preserve the spots. Cops did come by. We were lucky this time, but I don't think we're gonna be able to go back, honestly. We did get in some good Mexico runs, like always. Mustang holding its ground pretty good. But yeah, other than that, the Mexico type stuff will be on a different video, not on the actual MNILLEST. Maybe I'll put some teasers in there towards the end, but hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll see you guys on the next MNILLEST maybe.